Am I covering you?
Yes. Are we ready? DG. Leadership today at the Oyo State Governor's Lodge in Abuja on Tuesday, 31st October 2023. The forum deliberated on issues of concern to the forum, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), and the nation, and reached the following conclusions. 1. The meeting noted the recent judgment of the Supreme Court on the 2023 presidential election and believe that this brings an end to the presidential election cycles, as there must be an end to litigation. As a forum, we believe and state our faith and confidence in the judiciary and to do justice in political and other cases before the courts. We are concerned that while the issues PDP candidates, the Supreme Court has laid down precedents on pre-election issues, PDP candidates in Plateau State have been disqualified on the same grounds. We urge the judiciary at the apex level to ensure that our jurisprudence is not distorted. We remain vigilant in the struggle for democracy and good governance in the country. 2. The meeting vowed to reposition and strengthen PDP as a viable opposition political party, ready and willing to play its role at the vanguard of the Nigerian people for democracy, good governance, and accountability. 3. The PDP governors were alarmed at the recent developments in Rivers and welcomes the intervention of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to bring the crisis to an end. The meeting urged all parties to the crisis to seize their swords and resort to peaceful means of resolution. The forum further offered its platform for the quick and just containment of the issues involved. Number 4, on the national economy, the meeting urgently requested the patriotic intervention of the federal government to stabilize the naira, control inflation, and stem the unemployment crisis and bring more support to Nigerian people. Lastly, the PDP governors thank the Governor of Oyo State, His Excellency Sheyi Makinde, for his hospitality in hosting this meeting. Thank you very much. Well, as I said it in the close form, this issue had already been resolved. The issue was raised by the PDP National Governors Forum as a body, nationally, not even within the PDP. And so Mr. President has intervened, he has discussed with them, and they have resolved the issue. But certainly there are issues that are within the political cycle, and we decided to mention it so that people will know that we are aware. As a PDP, it has even gone beyond us. And we appreciate the leadership quality exhibited by the President by coming in from a different party to resolve an issue which is internal to PDP. And that's why we offer our thanks to him. But certainly you can see our colleague is here. He is together with his brother, his mentor, and of course our colleague whom we have respect so much, Mr.
Chairman, she's from Rivers, don't worry.
Thank you. So you are from Rivers. I will tell you that you ask that question. Any other question? Thank you. Thank you.